filled with monstrous threats and superpowered beings, there was a hero named Saitama. But unlike other heroes who were known for their intense training or incredible abilities, Saitama was different. He had no flashy powers, no dramatic backstory. He was just average. Or so he seemed. Saitama had a secret: one punch. He could defeat any enemy with a single blow. Sounds like a dream, right? But for him, it was more of a curse. Every time he faced an opponent, no matter how powerful or dangerous, boom, one punch, and they were out. A monster that could level cities, gone in a single shot. A giant, evil, one punch, and down they go. The problem? He was bored. His whole life had become an endless search for a worthy opponent. The fights he dreamed of epic, life or death struggles were now over before they even began. But Saitama wasn't the only hero in this world. There was a whole community of powerful beings, and one day, after some serious persuasion from a cyborg named Genos, Saitama joined the Hero Association. This is where things got interesting. The association ranked heroes based on their strength and achievements, but no one knew how strong Saitama truly was. He didn't care about rank, he didn't care about fame, he just wanted a real fight, and that made him a mystery. Despite his unparalleled power, Saitama couldn't seem to get any respect. Heroes laughed at him for his bald head. Villains underestimated him because of his calm, almost bored nature. But Saitama didn't mind. He was on a quest for something more than glory. He wanted excitement, a challenge. One day, an enormous monster, Boris, invaded Earth. He was a cosmic conqueror with powers that could destroy entire planets. He thought he was the strongest being in the universe. The battle between him and Saitama was intense, at least for everyone else watching. For Saitama, it was just another fight. He was so relaxed, he even stopped mid battle to eat a snack. After a series of powerful exchanges, Boris unleashed his final form, a move so powerful it could obliterate cities. But for Saitama, one punch, boom, Boris was down. The world watched in awe as Saitama effortlessly defeated a monster stronger than anything they would ever known. Yet, no one could truly underestimate his frustration. He didn't care about the accolades or the cheers. All he wanted was a fight that could give him the thrill he had been missing. But Saitama's journey wasn't over. There were still more heroes, more villains, and who knows? Maybe one day he would meet someone who could finally give him a challenge. So, One Punch Man is more than just a story about a superpowered hero. It's about the search for purpose and excitement in a world that often feels too easy to conquer. Who knew that being the strongest could be the loneliest job in the universe? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment which cartoon you want to see in the next video, and subscribe for more adventures in the world of anime.